To do this bag, you are going to start with a slip knot. So I have used the plastic yarn which I have made from the shopping bag. Next, you can do the foundation chain based on the width of the bag you are going to do. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. So likewise, you are going to do them till the required width of the bag you are going to do. After doing them till the required width, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. You are going to make a single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. We'll have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next, it's single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So this will be the pattern you are going to follow for this bag, is that you are going to do single crochet in each row. Do chain 1, turn your work and do single crochet in the next row. You will be doing them till the required height of the bag you want. So this bag pattern is just a 1 row repeat pattern. That is, you are going to do single crochet in each row as well as in each stitch. So let's see how it looks after doing them till the required height of the bag you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. Next, you are going to fold them into 2 and you are going to join the sides using single crochet. And do chain 1, insert the hook here and insert the hook. And you are going to join them using single crochet. Insert it next stitch on the other side. You can join them using single crochet. So likewise, you will be joining them till you reach this end. Same way we will be joining this side also. So let's see how it looks after joining both the sides. So after joining the sides, it looks like this. So next, you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Fluff this back so that you can see a smooth edge on the side. Next, we can do a handle for this bag. Insert it here. Take this plastic yarn, pull through, chain 1, do a single crochet, same stitch. So next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet, next stitch, single crochet. Turn your work. You are going to do same pattern till the required size of the bag strap you want. That is, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 4 stitches till the required length of the strap you want, and then we will join in the other side. After doing them till the required length, it looks like this. Next, you are going to join them in the other side. Insert it here. Take this loop, pull through, chain 1 and do a single crochet in the same stitch. So likewise, you will be doing single crochet in each stitch to join the strap to the body of this bag. So after joining them, it looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this plastic yarn. So bag using plastic yarn looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.